fam, that's what they call me. Promise that.
SG Reaction family, it's your boy SG Reactions right here, right now. I'm reacting to Hardstop Lucas, and the title is Close the Fridge. We got bills to pay. Close the fridge. But anyways, y'all, let's get into this. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment down below what else y'all want me to react to. And y'all, can we get this video to 2 likes? I asked this last time. Nobody. We got over 2 likes. That was on my other channel, but right now, can we get 2 likes? We got two subscribers, so we can get 2 likes. Come on now, 2 likes right here. If you don't understand me, it's right here. 2 likes right here. Excuse me. Right here. Okay, I think we all get. So let's get into the video. Clacking.
I'm not playing these games.
No. He does have a loud mouth though.
Mother?
Try his stomach.
Close my fridge. But I'm hungry. Close my damn fridge!
You see how loud he get?
But how do I get to the... Mom? What? I'm hungry. Well, eat then. But I need to open the fridge to get the food. Well, do that. Like, why is he telling me this? Okay. Excuse me. What? You need to get through? My electricity. Close the fridge. But you just said close it. Okay, you know what? I'm done. Because I don't have time for this. What are you doing? Yeah, I'm gonna just go out and pick something up to eat. All that food in the fridge and you about to go out to eat? You won't let me go in the fridge. Now, why would I not let you go in the fridge? Like, how dumb do you sound? Just grab what you need. How do I grab what I need out the fridge? Well, I don't know what's in it. You won't let me look. Oh, I'm sorry. I deeply apologize. My voice. I didn't mean no harm.
Hey, yo, that's 100% my mother. It's like we get mad and we want to raise our voice. She'll get up and say, huh? And be like, oh, our voice is, we're sorry. We ain't mean no harm.
Yeah, you don't want these problems. I don't want those problems. Now go. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I really would.
But y'all will have my problems if I don't get 2 likes.
I wouldn't want that. Peekaboo.
Can I open the fridge?
Peekaboo.
Close my fridge. That's it. No. Where are you going? Look, I'm not leaving. I'm gonna eat regardless. I'm gonna call something in. I'm gonna get something delivered. So this is the thanks I get. The appreciation for all my hard work. I'll be at home, working over a hot stove for hours, just to make sure you have food in your stomach. I work hard so that you got a roof over your head. And this is the thanks I get. This is how you treat me. Everything I do, everything, I do it for you. You. And you can't be grateful enough to just appreciate the little things I do. Now that's foul. That's foul. All I'm asking for is a little bit of love and support. That's it. That's it. Look, I didn't look at it that way. I'm sorry. I'll look. Gina, get the hell out of here.
She over here crying her tears out.
I'm sorry, what was I saying? She messed me up. Oh, right. I was sad, remember? I'm sorry. I'm gonna go get a plate. See, I'm grabbing a plate. And a spoon. Okay, now where is it? Which shelf is it on? Is this it? Close my damn fridge!
that ending part was a way sadder story than Twilight. But, bruh, I'm hungry. You won't even let me open the fridge. And when she told that sad story, I felt infected inside. But she finished. He went to go get the plate and the spoon. Close my fridge. Hey, I don't know what he did after that. I don't know if he just got the food anyway or he just starved to death when he went out to eat. I don't know what he did. But y'all, make sure y'all drop a like on this video, subscribe, and comment down below what else you want me to react to. I'm always free. And y'all, I said this earlier. 2 likes. 2 subscribers for 2 likes. Thank you. Clock out. SG Reactions just walked out.